Hi there, good day. Let me go ahead and explain this file a little bit so that it be easy for you to understand here. So RACI is just nothing but responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed. This is typically used in project management for assigning responsibilities per task and basically to go over that. So in order for this to be used, there are a few rules generally people will use. Is if it's a task or a deliverable, whatever you wanted to put here, generally for that deliverable you would have one person accounted. That's the only key things, and the responsible can be more, informed, all the other things can be more. So the only thing is accountable will be one. So generally a responsible person who is a person who will take care of the ticket. I mean, like the first level of person who will be working on the task. Accountable could be someone like an operations manager or a project manager. Informed is someone like a functional manager or someone who would be just for an FYI. Consultant is almost like an SME. So that's generally how it works. In terms of the multi roles, there could be sometimes accountable and responsible things could be done by the same person. So that's the thing. In order to use the template, you can go ahead and update all your milestones or your task list, and then you can simply go ahead and put your schedules, just put your markings in here. So this one just shows like which month we are. So currently we are in August, so if it's that, it'll automatically highlight, so which means that any tasks in here needs to be checked out. And in terms of the risk metrics, if there is any specific objectives that you have, you can go ahead and update it here. And the same and for any risk or any quantity ones, you can put that as a rack status, which is red, amber, green. So you can go ahead and set that up in here for that particular thing. So you have your tasks that you can update your owners and the helpers, and then we have here. Now the sub objective is something that it is like a common goal or something that you're trying to achieve, which you can probably update it here with 1, 2, 3, and then if it is applicable or dependent on that particular major task, you can just go ahead and update it in here. And all of these are optional. It is up to you to go ahead and use as however you want. If you have no thing, you can go ahead and update it. Sometimes the sub objective can have a risk, so you can click on this and keep these updated. So that's the information. In terms of the updates, pretty much like this, pretty straightforward. Then you can go ahead and do this like import notes or anything. Milestone hours is just very simple. There's no automation between the RACI, and this is just for your information, just to track how many hours it's coming up to. So that's generally how the RACI works. So if you wanted to go ahead and assign responsibilities on who will work on what deliverable, you can go ahead and assign it here. And if there are any risks, which are whatever major task, major ones, you can go ahead and update it. Subcategories is something for example, let's say you wanted to go ahead and have a sub delivery of another task, or like a dependent task. It doesn't have to be only one RACI. What if you have like multi RACI things? Sometimes you can have those three things updated here, and then you can mark these for that particular deliverables which is dependent on that. So that's generally how it works. So hope it makes sense. Let me know if this works. If you like to buy this template, please contact me. Happy to cascade it out. Thank you.